Please see one question now. In triangle ABC, the angles are in the ratio 1:2:7. Angles are as 1:2:7 means the ratio of the angles is 1:2:7. You are asked to find out the ratio of the longest side to the shortest side. Please see the solution now. Given the angles are in the ratio 1:2:7. You know sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Please see here. First one, 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 7 into 180. (18°). First angle. Second angle. 2 by 10 into 180. Last angle. So A is equal to 18 degrees, B is equal to 36 degrees, C is equal to 126 degrees are the angles. You should know in a triangle the longest side will be opposite the largest angle. I am showing you this picture itself. This is the triangle. Please see. A 18 degrees, B 36 degrees and C 126 degrees. Elementary geometry, you must know, opposite the longest side will be opposite the largest angle. The largest angle is 126, so this will be the longest side. The smallest angle is 18 degrees, this will be the smallest side. Longest side is opposite the largest angle, shortest side opposite the smallest angle. You have to find out the ratio between the longest and the shortest. Look here. Because A is the smallest angle, opposite A is small a, that is shortest side. This one C is the longest side. You are solving a question many times asked in your examinations. A is the shortest side because it is opposite the smallest angle. C is the longest side because it is opposite the largest angle. You are asked to find out the ratio between the longest side to the shortest side. See here. C by A you have to find out. C is the longest side, A is the shortest side. C by A you have to find out. And by proportionality, you know this is sin C by sin A. This is what your sine rule says. By proportionality, not that value of C is sin C or value of A is sin A. It is not like that. It is a proportionality. Watch carefully. C is equal to 126, A is equal to sin A is equal to sin 18. This one. Sin 18, you know the value, you should know the value, you should remember the value. Sin 126, I don't know the value, I am calculating. How to calculate? Please see. Sin 126, sin 90 plus 36 is 126, sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. And the value of cos 36 you are expected to remember. Therefore, C by A is equal to sin 18, sin 126 root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18 you should remember the value. For your convenience, I will write down the values here. There are values for cos 18 and sin 36 also, which we do not need now, so I am not writing. If they come in some other question, I will write. Otherwise also you are expected to remember all such important angles. Proceed. After the cancellation of common denominator 4. So, C is to A is equal to root 5 plus 1 is to root 5 minus 1. This is your answer. See this question now. We are solving a few examples. In triangle ABC, it is given that B plus C by A is equal to cot A by 2. You have to prove that the triangle is right angled at B. It means you have to prove B is equal to 90 degrees. I am solving, please watch. B plus C by A is equal to cot A by 2. By proportionality, sin B plus sin C by sin A is equal to cot A by 2. B plus C by 2 A is equal to sin B plus sin C by sin A. By proportionality, don't, again I am telling you, don't think that value of B is substituted, value of C is substituted, value of A is substituted. No, it is not like that. It's only proportionality. Now the transformation formula, sin C plus sin D, 2 sin B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2. This is the formula for sin B plus sin C, that is compound angles formula, transformations. Sin A, multiple submultiple angles, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 is equal to cot A by 2. It is cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. Understand? 2 cancels. You know sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2, cos B minus C by 2. This is sin A by 2, cos A by 2 is equal to cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. Please understand carefully. This cos A by 2, sin B plus C by 2, cos B minus C by 2, sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2 is the formula of transformations. Sin A, multiple submultiple angles, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2, cos B minus C by 2 as it is, sin A by 2 as it is, cos A by 2 as it is, cot is cos by sin. Please see now, this sin A by 2 will cancel this sin A by 2 and cos A by 2 will cancel this cos A by 2. You are having only cos B minus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Cos B minus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. Therefore, B minus C by 2 is equal to A by 2. Don't think I have cancelled cos, lose things. No. By comparison, or by comparing, this is equal to this. It is just like this one. Please see here. Anywhere, if you get cos alpha is equal to 60 degrees, I will write alpha is equal to 60, not by cancelling cos. It is comparison. Comparing cos alpha with cos 60, we find alpha is 60. This is by comparison, not by cancellation. So, cos B minus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. By comparison, B minus C by 2 is equal to A by 2. Cancel 2. B minus C is equal to A, or may I say B is equal to A plus C. Proceed. This is 180 minus B, because A plus B plus C is equal to 180. This is 180 minus B. Shift B here. So the triangle is rectangled at B. Another question for you. In triangle ABC, the angles A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, and also given B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2, you have to find A is to B. Let us see. Since ABC are in AB, A plus C is equal to 2B. You may ask how? Look here. What is AP? Second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, that is called AP. So B minus A is equal to C minus B. B comes here. So whenever we say ABC are in AP, immediate conclusion is 2B is equal to A plus C. I will write. Whenever we say ABC are in AP, it means 2B is equal to A plus C. Conversely, if 2B is equal to A plus C, I will say ABC are in AP. Remember this one, it will be used in solving several questions. ABC are in AP means 2B is equal to A plus C. Conversely, 2B is equal to A plus C means ABC are in AP. I am writing about GP also here, not explaining much about it, please see. ABC are in GP means B square is equal to AC, or B square is equal to AC means ABC are in GP. Not explaining, when it comes again we shall see. ABC are in GP means B square is equal to AC, or B square is equal to AC means ABC are in GP. Last. Harmonic progression. If ABC are in HP, B is equal to 2AC by A plus C. Conversely, if B is equal to 2AC by A plus C, ABC are in HP. I will write that also. This is a useful note about AP, GP, HP. Where we need, we don't know, but we will definitely need somewhere. Let us start now. A, B, C are in AP. A plus C is equal to 2B. A plus C, you know, is 180 minus B is equal to 2B. Since A plus B plus C is equal to 180, that means 3B is equal to 60 degrees, 180 degrees, or B is equal to 60 degrees. B is equal to 60 degrees. What is given there? B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2. Look here. Check up. B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2 by proportionality. By proportionality, and B is 60. A quick review, please see. A, B, C are in AP. A plus C is equal to 2B. A plus C is 180 minus B is equal to 2B, giving B is equal to 60. Also given in the question, B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2. B is sin B by sin C by proportionality. Sin B is sin 60 by sin C is equal to root 3 by root 2. And sin 60 is root 3 by 2. I am proceeding. Root 3 will cancel, 2 also will cancel. You will have only this much. Please see here, 2 sin C is equal to root 2. Root 3 cancel, 2 sin C is equal to root 2, or sin C is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin C is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is the value of sin 45. Sin 45. C is equal to 45. Now you know B is 60, C is 45. Look here. So A will be 180 minus 60 plus 45. This is 105 degrees. This question actually is find angle A. A is equal to 105 degrees. That is the answer. One more important thing. Let me quickly review this one. Sin B by sin C, root 3 by root 2. Sin 60 by sin C, root 3 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin C, root 3 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2 sin C is equal to root 2. That comes sin C is equal to 1 by root 2. C is equal to 45. You know two of the angles. Third angle is 180 minus sum of the two angles, that is 105 degrees. A is equal to 105 degrees. One important thing, please note. In any question hereafter, Once they say ABC are in AP, blindly you say B is 60, you need not work out. I am writing. This will be useful in solving certain questions. If ABC are in AP, B is equal to 60 degrees, immediate conclusion, without working out so much, you can straight write, since ABC are in AP, B is equal to 60 degrees.